Okay, it's Christmas 2009. It's Christmas Eve. And here's a quick look at what Joey was going to get from Santa. Easel, some presents, and this big tunnel. Okay, here's Christmas morning. Joey, did Santa Claus come?
Yeah.
You want to go see? Put him down. Come here. Look what he's got. He's got some toys out here. Come on. What did he bring?
What's that?
What is it?
Whoa!
Look at that big giant meeome!
Wow! Look at that thing!
What's inside? Look, open the top. There's people in there. Look, let me show you.
Inside! 2 pilots and passengers.
I think I see Santa Claus fly in my room.
In your room?
What did he bring in
He
your
brought
room?
everything out here.
What, the door?
I see it fly by.
Look, the door's
You saw
open
him
here.
fly by? You
Look.
saw Santa Claus fly by your room?
Does that go up in the sky?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa!
Super flying boy.
Hey, Mommy, go get the camera real quick. It's on my desk, the regular camera.
Really up.
Way up high.
He's turning.
He's turning.
Say that. He's turning.
He's turning, yeah.
Take a picture.
Take a picture. You want to smile for Mommy?
I take a picture of me.
Yeah, look at Mommy. Smile.
Hold your meeome.
Don't do do a regular smile. Come on. Just regular.
Just play with it. All right, she'll take a picture. You play with it.
Okay, just look at Mommy.
I think I just Santa Claus fly by.
I think he popped by for sure.
Yeah, did you see him fly by?
We looked out the window. I think I saw him coming. Let's open some more presents.
Wake up! Smile!
News.
What's this? Is that a Mickey Mouse coloring book?
The Gooey Book.
Yeah.
Gooey Book and Mickey Book.
Yeah, what else is in here? You better look. I think I see some cards in there. Oh, a new toothbrush? Elmo toothbrush! Daddy Fillmore! Yahoo! Santa Claus knew you wanted him. Daddy Woo Woo car.
He had no boo-boo.
He has no boo-boos, that's right. Because he's brand new. Oh. M&M.
What is that? Open it up. What is that?
Abby.
Abby Cadabby, Santa brought you. Aww. You like Abby Cadabby? Aww, look at how cute she is. Oh, you're so cute. Is she gonna ride on the plane too? Yahoo! Hi, Abby. You're so cute, Abby. Hi. Hi, Abby. Joey loves you. Oh, Bugsy, get out of the way.
Bugsy's gonna love Abby too.
Yeah. Bugsy, you leave Abby alone. He's like, oh, good.
Let's open more presents.
Abby said, leave me alone.
Yeah, leave me alone, Bugsy. No, we're not starting with you.
that?
Manny one.
Handy Manny?
Toolbox?
Let's see that. Look at all the tools.
Wow, Handy Manny? Cool, huh?
They're open too.
Yeah, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Of course.
And the new one,
Meome's watching too? Okay, let's open some more presents first. Then we'll open each one individually, okay?
Over that one.
You're such a stinker.
Oh, Mickey and who else?
Mickey and Minnie?
A Minnie
And
Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
They're not you, they're mine.
Hug them. Give them hugs.
Let me see Mickey Mouse.
Give them hugs.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, and a hug for Minnie.
Oh, what a nice boy.
Look over here at Mommy. Give hugs.
Hold him up.
You're so silly. Oh, you're so silly.
Let's open this one. Come here.
Yeah, who's that mine?
Could be a toy, huh? Yeah, this is from Mommy and Daddy. Here, go ahead. What could this one be? Ooh. Bless you.
God bless you.
Whoa, what's that? I see it. Is that a train? Oh, that's like the zoo when Joey goes to the zoo.
Yeah.
His car. The zoo car.
They're open.
Look at that. Say ta-da!
Ta-da. Good job. Go ahead, open it, Dad.
What do you want to open next? Is there any more?
My bed, Dad.
See if there's any more on your easel. See your easel? Under the table. Oh, look, there's more over there.
Yeah, that's
Look,
mine.
under the tree. Go get them.
Yeah, those are all yours.
Go get them under the tree.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yep. Go get them.
Oh, this looks like a big one.
Yeah, that's for me.
Yeah, it's for you. Open it up.
How you help me open?
Sure, I help you. Help me. Rip it.
Like that.
There you go.
What is it for me?
I don't know what's in there. Mommy, he could use some help with this one. Oh, well, maybe not.
Mommy.
What is it?
More Handy Manny? Oh my goodness. And his motorcycle? Did you know Handy Manny had a motorcycle? Yeah? You got his toolkit and his motorcycle? Yeah. Yeah, we got more presents to open first. I think we still got one more.
I love my big bill.
You love your big meeome?
Yeah. Yeah, I love my big bill. I love my big bill. I love my big bill.
I love it too. Okay, Joey, look at the camera and say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Do you like your presents?
Didn't see you crawl all the way into the Thomas tent yet.
He will later.
Want to right now?
I do it later.
Later? Okay. Later. Okay. Mommy can wait for later.
Okay, wait, bye-bye.